give them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, give them up.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. As you guys can see, I'm in the daily right now, but this video is gonna be like an update video. So yeah guys, and make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. So as you guys can see right now, I'm on my way over to the storage where the queue is, and the video is gonna drop soon on that too, so stay tuned for that. Yeah guys, as I said, we're in the daily, but yeah, we're cruising to the storage as I said. Oh yeah guys, so as I said in the last couple video, we got a new machine coming to the channel. And also, if y'all whatever y'all think, I should say whatever y'all think I'm gonna get, just leave it down in the comment section. Whatever car you think I'm gonna get next, just let me know what you guys think, man. But for sure, this new one that I'm getting, y'all gonna love it for the channel. So yeah, just let's cruise to the storage real quick. Soon I got a headlight video to drop on the daily. I got some brand new headlights coming in, so soon I'm gonna drop a video on that. So if y'all don't know how to change headlight, I'm gonna show you guys how to change it, so stay tuned for that. And also I was thinking about getting some rims for this and probably tint it, because right now it's like a fishbowl right now. So I was thinking about tinting it, and also probably drop it a little bit low. So let me know what you guys think, man. Probably get some coilovers off eBay or something. Yeah, let it look a little bit better. And also, if y'all didn't see the video on the front grille, I'll drop it in. Make sure y'all go and check it out. Now let's get it, guys. Got a clean ass Finity right there. Oh, he already turned. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so we just pulled up. So go to the gate real quick, put in my code. Okay guys, so we just pulled up to the storage. Just pulled up. And also remember, I got the motor for sale too, so hit me up if you guys need a VR30 engine for your Q50 or Q60. It's a rear wheel drive, only have 53,000 miles on it. Also I probably got this, possibly got this front bumper for sale, and some rear wheel drive suspension, so hit me up. Also I got some goodies around there too, but first let me move this real quick. Got my 2-ton jack right here. And also guys, remember, I got seats for sale too, brand new. And also I got mirrors for sale, and the doors and everything going, especially the carbon fiber shifter right here. I got the racing harness, I got everything guys, so just let me know. Oh yeah, see, you got radiator support, brand new hood, exhaust brand new too, just used for probably about a week. So as I was saying, these gonna go up for sale. And also, this is the grill I was telling y'all about, the new one I put in. And I also gonna change out these headlights. So yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get it, man. Okay guys, so I just put these up for sale. The rear wheel drive suspension. I also got a pair of all-wheel drive, so if y'all need any, just hit me up and let me know what you need. Also I got the racing seats, brand new. and also the motor, as I said earlier in the video. And also I got the radiator support, and right now somebody's gonna come pick this up. So that's gonna conclude the update on the Q and on the daily. So yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Just leave a comment down in the comment section, and more mods is coming to the daily too. And soon y'all gonna get an update on what car I'm getting, so stay tuned guys. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.